You're working 10 hours a day. Your competitor is working 2. Same results, sometimes better. The difference? They automated everything. AI isn't here to replace anyone. Creators who embrace it are doing in hours what used to take weeks. Entrepreneurs who understand it are building empires from their laptops. The future belongs to those who work with AI, not against it. And here's the good news: you don't need to be technical, you don't need to code. You just need the right guidance. What you need is a system, a clear path, and a community that actually builds together. That's exactly what Automation Hub is. Welcome to Automation Hub. Here we simplify your world through smart automations, regardless of your background. Inside the community, you'll learn the core skills needed to design, build, and deploy real automation workflows and apply them to practical use cases, services, or business systems. Once you're in, everything unlocks. You'll start with the fundamentals, then follow a clear pathway to full automation mastery. You'll learn how to build voice agents with VAPI and ElevenLabs, the kind that handle real conversations without you lifting a finger. You'll discover content creation systems that produce videos, posts, and graphics while you sleep. You'll get premium templates designed to solve real business problems right out of the box. You'll access over 20 million creative assets for any project you can dream up. You'll get exclusive AI tools and discounts that keep you ahead of the curve. And you'll learn directly from top builders in the space with mentorship included. Plus, new modules are always being added. This vault keeps growing. Join Automation Hub today and start building your future. See you inside.